So these wonderful strawberries, like I said, I got from Mac. I want to take, I've already cut up some of them to get a head start here. 2½ cups.
All right.
And look how good they look. They're getting nice and ripe. So I'm gonna throw a couple more in here. And some people like to smash them up. I just like to cut them. I want a little bit bigger pieces in our dessert. So
I like to smash them.
Smash them, yeah. I like to smash them up, and you can when you do shortcake. But
that's a good looking ripe. Can I have one little piece of that?
You can steal what you want.
Where's that piece right there?
Good. And we're right at 2½ cups of strawberries here. You could probably go a little more or less. All right. Now I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of sugar.
That's all?
Yeah. Yeah. See, but there's more sugar in the
I
rest.
was
Don't
gonna
worry,
say.
there's more. And you know, some people just do the strawberries and sugar and let them sit. But we're going to add a couple things to this to give it a little more. Because you know me, with my vanilla from Lisa, I got to put it in everything. It's my favorite thing in the world. So I'm going to put a ½ teaspoon of vanilla in there too.
All right. Now we've got our oven preheating at 350 by
That's
the way
right.
in the background.
350. And one other ingredient I have here is some cornstarch. I have a 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch. And I think
to thicken up your
I
juice.
think it does. I think it really does. And we're going to mix that with the strawberry. So I'm just going to mix all these together. And you could do these way earlier and just stick them in the fridge, but we're hungry, right? We eat them now.
I'm starving.
That's right. You're starving?
That's usually what you say.
That's right. I'm always starving. All right. Let's just let these sit for a little bit.
It's been an interesting spring. You know, we have, every time we wanted to do something outside, including today, guess what? It rains. And if it's not raining, it's storming.
Right.
Then it'll get sunshiny for a minute, and it's one of those days where they're calling for bad storms tonight, so we better hurry while we still have electricity.
Cook. That's right. Okay, we're gonna let these set aside.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take, I have ½ cup of self-rousing flour,
All right.
and I have ½ cup of oats, your oatmeal.
Love my oatmeal.
It could be any kind of oatmeal you want to use. I also have, this is more sugar here now.
Okay.
Here's where your sugar comes in.
More sugar.
1/3 cup of sugar, regular sugar. Not only that, but a 1/3 cup of brown sugar.
Right. That's where the sugar
That's
was.
right. And now to this, I just want to put a little bit of salt. You gotta have a little bit of salt.
You do have to have
Pinch
some
of salt. Pinch of salt. Now you see right here, I have some butter I melted. If you want to pour that in for me, I have ½ a stick of butter.
Half
that I
a stick
melted.
of butter?
Yes. Just put that in for me. Mix
Scrape
that
the rest
in.
of that wonderful butter out of there.
Yeah, we need all the butter. Thank you. And then I have a 1/3 cup of cream here. I like heavy whipping cream.
It smells good already. How long does this take to cook?
This takes about 45 minutes. Then we can just let it sit, and then whenever we're done and ready, it'll be perfect.
Boy, when this came out of the oven the other day, it was hot and buttery.
You liked it.
Oh, so good.
I'm gonna go ahead and pour these back in. Some people like to put their batter on the bottom and let the strawberries cook on top. I like to get it all gooey together. And if you want to, behind you, grab, I already have a 9x9 white dish ready that we're gonna throw this in. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit more. And that's it, pretty simple.
See, I always see the, when you're making desserts, I never see the before, I just see the after.
You just eat it.
And then it's gone in about
That's right.
10 minutes.
And the
It
oven's
looks
ready.
lovely.
Does it look lovely? Let's go ahead and throw it in there while we cook
All right.
dinner.
I looked at my oversized watch that I can see with my old eyes, and I figured out it is time to pull your beautiful concoction out of the oven.
It is.
Oh, would you look at that?
Wow.
I'm smelling that and
Oh,
smelling
that looks
that.
perfect. Let it cool right here.
Oh, would you still bubbling?
It is.
Oh. Now that's been staring me in the face for the last
right.
half hour, so I guess it's time to try
Time
it.
for
But
try.
because you went to such effort, you try it first.
No, it's for you. I made it for you.
All right, I'll do it.
A little bit of ice cream there with
I
it.
have no problem with that.
All right. Get you some strawberries.
Oh yeah, look at that.
What do you think?
Oh,
It's really good, isn't it? Just 'cause you got your oatmeal in there.
you got to be kidding me. Now let me just tell you, of course, if you like oatmeal, you like strawberries, and you
wow.
like cobblers.
I know. I could keep eating that too.